Dun, dun, dun. Whoa, why does he look so gay? You're right, he looks hella gay. Of course he is. Pride parade much? Nah, you're the gay one here. Why do you look like that? I don't look gay, you look gay. Look at your little stank looking ass. Hey, those are the questions I asked. You wanna be emo me? But like, bro, why do you look so gay? This is a waste of time. Stop calling me gay before I do some real gay things. Whoa, we're straight, buddy. We're not gay like you. Actually, Sonic, I'm bisexual. We know. Get your gay self down from there. You know you're gay. You can't hide it. I'm the gay one here. Y'all like the rainbow alphabet. I don't know what y'all looking at, circus clown.